Sometimes I cannot tell the night from the early morning. Sometimes I'm thrown into the fight without a warning. And who
Welcome in Ilohuuwa waterfall.
keep running?
One of the attractions of Bone district is located in Ilohuuwa village, Bone Bolango district.
Are you lost?
To reach the Ilohuuwa waterfall, visitors must travel a distance of 65 kilometers with time of 2 until 3 hours from the of Gorontalo city. Along the way, visitors will enjoy the panorama of the beach and mountains. Ilohuuwa waterfall was first discovered in 1972. Initially, Ilohuuwa waterfall named Taludaa waterfall. However, since Ilohuuwa village in the expanded of the village Taludaa in the year 2006. Now, Taludaa waterfall changed its name to Ilohuuwa waterfall.
We will find a way home. It goes straight to the heart. Goes straight to the heart.
Ilohuuwa waterfall has a height of 42 meters with a stretch of 15 meters. But there are still 2 more waterfalls that are above, each of which has a height of 10 meters and 15 meters.